Bears failed to overcome the 1.063 low from where a bullish rebound came, but the week ended without any specific direction. Investors should read the price carefully, as a breakout is needed before anticipating a stable trend. In the EURUSD weekly chart, bulls have become the ultimate winner as the price moved above the 1.074 level, which is the 61.8% FIBO retracement level from the 2022 swing. However, the price reached the flat 20 SMA and 100 SMA levels, indicating that bears are still alive. The weekly price also shows corrective pressure from the momentum indicator, while the RSI shows an advanced movement toward the buyer's side. On the daily chart, an extreme correction came where bulls were the ultimate winner. However, no strong price action is visible above the dynamic 20-day SMA, while the 200 SMA remains below the price. Technical indicators started to show a buy signal from the neutral zone, which could be the early sign of a possible bullish trend. As per the last week's projection, a stable market is needed above the 1.08 level before considering it a strong bullish trend. In that case, the next target level of EURUSD would be towards the 1.09 key psychological area. The coming trading days will be eventful, and the selling pressure may come at any time. A downward momentum with a D1 candle below the 1.06 level could open a selling opportunity, targeting the 1.06 and 1.05 levels.